do a quick vlog. I am actually heading to go get my hair done again by the amazing Stephanie. I'm excited. I'm gonna try and get as much footage as I can. So if you want to check her out, I will put her link in the description box below. And if you're ready, let's go, guys. Upside down for a minute. Make sure I got everything. Okay, you guys. So who's ready? Let's go. It gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a big. Hey guys, I am back in the hair studio with this gorgeous lady here. Disgusted with myself and I'm disgusted. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. So we're gonna wait about 25. To get the hell out of my head, I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Disgusted with myself and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out. Damn, Stephanie, you did it again, girl. I love it. Thank you. 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.